Alright, here's a brand new in-box Hampton Bay Southwind V that just got last night, since my Home Depot is not going to sell these anymore. I'm not really sure if the Home Depot company is permanently selling these or if it's just my particular local Home Depot. So, the flap's already open. I forgot, as I was using the scissors, I thought, oh, maybe I should make a video of this while I have the chance. Hampton Bay Southwind. Instruction booklet. Hampton Bay Southwind V. Alright, what do we have in here? We got a registration card. Yeah, that's for the warranty. Alright, pull chain pendants, screws, down rod, which I'm not going to be using on it. Slip those right there in the chair. And apparently, since this fan comes with a remote and change at the same time, I'm not sure if I will adapt the remote, but I guess might give it a chance. Blade arms. Let's see, blade arms. Here's the blades. Reversible from black. Is that black? Yes, it is black. To bleached cherry. Hey. And, oh yeah, canopy assembly. Brand new Hampton Bay fan. I'm not sure. I've only seen the Southwind in brushed nickel. I'm not sure if I'm not sure if they were ever available in white. I know they were available in bronze. Alright, it takes one individual bulb. Kind of disappointing. Could take more than one. Hampton Bay, make it a bit brighter. And what do we got? Oh, that's glass shade. All right. I'm gonna struggle to get this out. Just hold on. Here we go. Come here, camera. So here's the motor. Have to set it down on the floor. This wire's hanging out. No, I'm probably gonna just set it right on the chair. Might as well just set it on the chair. So yeah, there's the motor and the glass shade, which is right here. I'm not gonna mess with the shade very much because it's glass. Well, I guess that can be the unboxing of it. See you people later.